Okay, so you join me as I'm about to test this Nintendo Wii that we've repaired. We had it in for repairs because some of these plastic bits inside the drive had actually snapped off, and they're what's responsible for allowing the disc to go in smoothly and lower itself down. So you join me as I'm about to test it. I'm going to put in this, the world's worst game ever, but it's good for testing. So pop that in the drive, see what happens. Okay, so it's lowered itself in nicely. The screen's woken up. Press A to continue. There's the Nintendo Wii home screen. Hopefully the disc will read up fine. You see it spinning in the top there. I'll just point my hand up there. It's pretty difficult to do on a video. Click on that. Click on that one, and we'll see if the disc reads okay. If it reads okay, we'll leave it in there for a couple of hours just to test it fully, to make sure that the laser's not damaged. Nunchuck is needed. It's difficult, isn't it? It's supposed to be the simplest games console in the world. Yeah, I can't use it. That's the nunchuck in. Hopefully we'll get some visuals. There we go. Disney. See the disc spinning here, reading away. You can just about see the laser in this video. Depends on how closely you look. See that little red light flashing in there? That's the laser. And here we are. Meet the Robinsons. Be alright if I was 10 years old, but I'm 25, so. There you go, it seems to be working okay, so we'll leave that running for a few hours and we'll see how we get on. Thanks for watching.